sellers are people and they have houses. So we have to get a seller to like and trust us. And we got to understand a personality type of a seller so we understand who we're talking to. There are 4 personality types we're going to learn, and we're going to learn how to build subliminal rapport with people so they like and trust you, which is a key component of success when you're meeting people. So social is assertive and responsive. So they're assertive, right? They don't like something, they'll tell you about it. They're typically very happy. They're spontaneous, they're energetic, they have a short attention span. They're optimistic, flexible, outgoing, loves to have fun, fast decision makers. So typically with greens, if you push them to make a decision immediately about the contract, they're going to back off and they're going to say, I think about it. With greens, right, we typically don't push them to sign a contract. We say, listen, you know what, if you want to have time to look at the contract, here's a copy of it. Why don't you look it through thoroughly? If you have any questions, please contact me, but I would like to make a decision on the next 24 to 48 hours. So if you could do me a favor, read through the contract as much as you can, take your time to do it. If you just have the courtesy, give me a call back in the next couple of days. I'd really appreciate it so we can decide if we can move forward or not. So analyticals, you can leave the contract with. That's typically the only personality type you leave a contract with, and you don't push them to get that contract signed. Now, socials will sign the contract right on the spot. Why? Because they make fast decisions. Here's this typical social. Social is someone you go to the bank and they're talking to everybody. Social people love to talk. The more they talk, the more they like you. The more you talk about yourself, the more they don't like you. The more you ask questions about them, the more they like you. So think about that. So a social person wants, if you're asking questions about them and they're just talking, the more they're going to like you. Okay? So the bottom line is, with this social thing, that's what the whole thing is about. The whole thing is getting them to talk about themselves. And once you talk about themselves and you're getting the agreeable price that works, they'll sign a contract right on the spot.